everybody. Let's get to it. This week programming, we're starting with today push press and push jerk and then 2 split jerks every 2 minutes on the minute for 16 minutes. That equals 8 sets. The goal here is to pause on every jerk's receiving position. So for the push jerk and then the 2 push jerk and then the 2 split jerks, you're pausing on every one, showing control and really, slowing it down and paying attention to your positioning, which is so important on the jerk. If you remember last Thursday, this is kind of the same thing, except we're just taking out the push press. Ideally getting a little heavier if you were here last Thursday and you did it as well. Then a 10-minute AMRAP, and it says at open pace, which means the CrossFit Open, like the thing that's coming up in a couple weeks that we've been talking about forever now. This is kind of an example of what an open type workout might look like. And also it's just, kind of getting your pacing down, learning how to pace yourself through like a 10-minute effort, which is kind of an average time for the open. So 12 kettlebell swings, 9 push press, and 6 tall box jumps. Tall box jumps if you're ready, regular box jumps if you're not. Then accessory work with supine hamstring curls with a med ball, and then reverse snow angels for the shoulders. Tomorrow, building up on front squat, the first 5 minutes there, it's an every minute on the minute drill. So 5 minutes, 5 sets, and that's just really building up, warming up to the second part, which is going to be 10 minutes. So every 2 minutes for 10 minutes of 5 sets of 1 rep at 90%. We've been building up on front squat for a while now, so this is something that is going to be pretty heavy for 5 reps on those last 5 sets. Then for time, 15 hang squat cleans, double unders, 12 hang squat cleans, double unders, 9 doubles, 6 doubles, everything's descending. This is going to be kind of what we call a grinder, especially if you're going heavy, if you've got the technique down and you've got the legs for it. I want you to kind of push it, and you'll probably have to break it up just a bit. 15 is a lot to do in a row, or 12, especially coming off that 15, is a lot to do in a row. So break it up, grind through it. This could also be kind of an example of an open workout where the weight is a little bit heavier, so you're going to have to kind of figure things out, strategize, see how your body feels from set to set. Wednesday for times. So this is kind of just conditioning. If you can see here, everything is centered around the open. There's no real strength work on Wednesday. We're just kind of be practicing. All the skill work that we've been practicing and all the barbell cycling work that we've been practicing, we're going to kind of put it to use. So think of these as 8-minute sections. So from 0 to 8, you are doing a row, then 10 power snatches, then 20 toes to bar. The goal is to keep the same weight on the bar through all these movements, but I know that some of you are a little weaker at the power snatch, so you can start off a little lighter there. You're going to rest the remainder of the time. Then when the clock hits 8, you're going to go for your second set, a row, 15 chest to bar pull-ups, and then 20 shoulder to overhead. As you can tell, the bar is the same weight as it was with the power snatches from the first part. Third set, starting at 16, row, box jump overs, and ring dips. And then lastly, when the clock reaches 24, complete the following set of a row, deadlifts, and then burpees over the bar. So rep-wise, it goes, if you can see, first set is 10, 20, second set is 15, 20, third set is 20, 20, fourth set is 25, 20. So it's this one's going to be tough, very tough. We can scale rep numbers if you need to, if you're having trouble fitting everything in and still getting a little bit of rest. But like we said, it's going to be tough. So this is kind of what we've been working for. So make sure you come on Wednesday and try to experience this workout. We'll get done a little early for that. So 3 rounds not for time, 1 lap, single arm, bottoms up kettlebell waiters walk, down 1 arm, back the other, and then 6 to 8 candlestick slow lowers. And if you just watch the videos on each of these, you'll get a pretty good idea of what they entail. It's just accessory work. Thursday, back squats. So 2 days of squatting this week. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to try to do more and more of. It's just hard to fit it in with all the other stuff we've got to do. Back squatting, 4 reps at 75%, 3 at 80, 2 at 85, 1 at 90 95, and then set 5 is max reps at 80%. So as many reps as you can pop out without dropping the barbell or having to re-rack it at 80%. Now this is a little risky. I definitely we're going to, as coaches, going to be giving you the talk every class. We want you to be smart. We want you to be safe. If you are, a little bit newer to the back squat, you need to maybe have someone to spot you. If you can bail, you need to make sure that you are telling people around you that you're going to bail so that they don't spot you. But pretty much, let's just make sure we know what we're doing. Coaches will be here to help you, of course. So check with them if you're unsure in the slightest to have them spot you. B, every 5 minutes for 20 to 25 minutes, so 4 to 5 sets. It's a 3-minute AMRAP, 400-meter run, and then max reps of no squat man maker. So there's not like a thruster in there. And I've listed out what the man maker that we want you to do is. It's a row with your right, a push up, a row with your left, a power clean, and then a push press. And I've got some weights listed: 35 to 55 men's, 15 to 30 women's. Friday, power clean, push jerk, cluster. We've been kind of doing stuff like this more on Wednesdays. So we've got a power clean, push jerk, cluster. Then we've got weighted or banded, supinated, weighted pull-ups, and that'll be 4 to 6, just like last week. I just forgot to put the numbers in there. Some double unders or double under practice. Then we got 3 rounds, not for time, of a Zercher carry, as many reps as possible, perfect push-ups, and we'll have some other strongman movements listed in there as well as we get closer. So, got a stacked up week for you. Make sure you are, making it to class. Also, make sure you are signing up for class, more importantly. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys at the gym. Have a great week. Bye.